Artificial eyes. Advancements in the realm of bionic eyes, once a staple of science fiction, are now becoming a reality through progressive real-world research. Several innovative technologies are emerging that aim to restore vision for individuals with various types of vision impairment. In January 2021, a groundbreaking achievement occurred when Israeli surgeons successfully implanted the world's first artificial cornea into a 78-year-old man who was bilaterally blind. Upon removing the bandages, the patient experienced the remarkable ability to read and recognize family members immediately. Notably, this implant seamlessly integrates with human tissue, avoiding rejection by the recipient's body. Similarly, in 2020, Belgian scientists developed an artificial iris incorporated into smart contact lenses. These lenses have the capability to correct several vision disorders, providing potential solutions for those with impaired vision. Going beyond conventional approaches, researchers are exploring wireless brain implants that bypass the eyes entirely. There's ongoing work in this field, aiming to develop technology that directly interfaces with the brain to restore or enhance vision. At Monash University in Australia, trials are underway for a system involving users wearing glasses equipped with a camera. This camera captures visual data, transmitting it directly to an implant situated on the brain's surface. Although still in its experimental stages, this setup grants users a basic form of sight, offering promising prospects for those with visual impairments. These innovative developments in bionic eye technologies hold the potential to significantly transform the lives of individuals with vision impairments, offering new hope and possibilities for restoring or enhancing their visual capabilities. Thanks for watching.